How to fix login error in Acorn TV application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you are still facing any other kinds of problem while logging in, you want to simply go to your settings, click on General, and tap on iPhone storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Acorn TV application. Click on Show All. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on Acorn TV and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if something comes up, you can simply restart the device once and open the app again to fix the issue. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.